Hi guys, Tesla Center is back and you are watching a series of videos about how to relieve a pain by using a self-massage. Like headache, for example. Now you probably know there is a lot of reasons why you can have a headache, almost as many as headache itself. Dehydration is one. Being under a lot of stress can also be a possible, or perhaps you are having a neck stiffness. Either way, stay with me and I will show you a few simple techniques how to help yourself. But before I do that, remember one thing. If you are suffering from migraine headaches, then pay a lot of attention and be very careful. Take it slow because otherwise it may happen that you will actually receive a reverse effect. When you are starting with the head massage, you need to focus on one very important thing. Now that is the blood flow. You know that the blood flow is always running toward the heart. So in case of the back, it is running from the top and then lower. Why is that important? Because when you are doing a circular movements, when the movement is going down towards the heart, you need to press it for 20 to 30% harder than when you're going back. Another thing that I want to talk to you is lymphatic system. Now this is very important and it is running along the blood vessels. How can I describe it for you? Let's say it's a sort of natural body's garbage disposal, so it makes sure to eliminate all the waste from your body. And by every contract that you make with your muscles, there are tiny little locks inside of lymphatic vessels, and when the contract is happening, they open so the fluid can run through. And by doing a massage circles, you can actually help the lymphatic system to run faster. If it doesn't run, it happens that the fluids stay in one side, so you actually become a puffy. Think about it. When you wake up in the morning and you have all puffy eyes and dark circles, you can help yourself with a light massage. Now, we already made a video about that and you can see it on this link. Okay, now let's focus on the movement. So we start on the top of the head and we're making a slow circular movements on the top. You can repeat it for about 5 times or even more, and then we go lower. And again, we do it for 5 times and we go lower even more. Now make sure that the presses won't be too hard. So you need to feel good when you're doing this. Relax and you need to feel like this is, yes, okay, this is what I want. Okay, you can repeat this process for 3 or 5 times on the head. Now, when you finish this, we are going to the scalp. You use all 10 fingertips, you put them on the top of the scalp, and you don't do the circular movements like the rest of the head, but it's like you want to do the lifting of the skin and then drop it again. And you lift it again and drop it. And you repeat this process for a few times. Now on this video, you can see that we only do it from the front. Now you can easily put your fingertips on the back of your skull and then do the movements at that point. Now, when I started this video, I told you that one of the causes of your headaches can be stiffness of your muscle in your neck. Now, to do that, you need to relax the muscle and you need to stretch it. So, turn your head a bit on the side and then make a light stretch, and then put your palm on the neck and make a smooth movements. You are smoothing, my hair are a bit on the way, and you're smoothing. And this is it. You're great. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the videos we will make in the future. I'll see you around. Bye-bye.